Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to install apps without Apple ID password. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and what you're going to do, you're going to just scroll a little bit down. Right here it says your Apple ID will help you to access the App Store without entering password each time. Enable password settings, log into App Store and change the password settings. This will allow you to download the apps without needing to enter password each time. And basically, if you want to get to know more about how it's done, open the settings on the app and then tap your name and tap media and purchases, and then tap password settings and then choose the setting that you want. So I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to my settings, right? Click on your avatar icon at the top, and I'm gonna see right here media and purchases, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead view account, basically, right? It's gonna open up a new window for me to show me my account, right? So while we're waiting, we're gonna see right here, let me just go ahead, tap password settings and then choose the setting that you want, right? So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down and find the password settings, basically, right? And if I didn't find it right here, I'm gonna just see right here manage payments. I'm gonna see Apple ID, which is basically my account, right? So entering your Apple ID and password will take you to, or editing your Apple ID and password will take you to to my browser. So basically sign in with your account and then change the password settings to whatever you want. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.